Stop switch assembly manufactured by ICE Marine with OEM 6E9-82575-00-00 is a reliable safety kill switch designed for Yamaha outboard engines from 6 horsepower to 40 horsepower, compatible with both 2-stroke and select 4-stroke models, and also suitable for Tohatsu, Honda, and Chinese brand outboards such as Parsoon, Hidea, Yamabishi, Hankai, and PowerTech. It instantly cuts ignition power for quick engine shutdown in emergencies, replaces multiple OEM numbers, including 6H4-82575-00-0063, V-82575-00-00, and Sierra 18-65450, and is built from durable ABS plastic and rubber to withstand harsh marine environments and temperatures up to 105 degrees Celsius. Available through ICE Marine at iceboatparts.com, by email at seller@icemarine.cc, or WhatsApp at +8 8696646862.